Hello everybody. Today I want to go over cinch buckles, and a common problem with the cinch buckles is if they are not perfectly straight, they will slide, they will ruin your webbing, and but if they are perfectly straight, they are a really solid suspension. So the way we do our cinch buckles is we wrap it around these 7 times so that when we're doing this, it's pulling from the corners. Now that's great, but if you see that this is like this, now it's not pulling straight. And what will happen is this, the toggle on here, will not be straight, and you will slide and you will damage the cinch buckle. So to make that right, first of all, to test it, put your finger in here, you grab the hammock, and you pull. This should be totally perpendicular to the hammock. If it's like this, or if it's like this, you have to fix it. To fix it, you loosen up back at the hammock, and you pull the one side a little bit, and then you try to pull that through straight so that this, and then retest it, and it should be good. Once you get it right and you've laid in this hammock, it's going to be solid for a long time. But you can see that if I go and I pull one strand, you see how this side is not being pushed at all. So this is going to slide. It's only going to be getting contact down here in the corner, and it's going to just tear one side of the webbing. However, if it's pulling straight, this thing is solid as can be because you're getting the full width and it's getting nice and even. Thank you, everybody.